Welcome back to the video, and today I'm gonna post a guide on how to defeat Augur, or like the guy who flies a lot. So here's how to beat him and my tips and tricks for you. So first things first, you need a team comp to beat him. So I would suggest for you to get Iron Eyes pretty good. Because his range, it's really nice to use that, and also focus on his weakness, which is lightning. He's very hard to hit, so make sure you have some the team comp you have has some range fighters. Let's say like Iron Eye, Recluse, or even Revenant is pretty good if you have her incantation and can do some range damage. So I would suggest using that. And right here I'm using like a lightning build on my Wilder. We deal damage, and the way I dodge spawn some lightning, so it's pretty perfect for me to have proc on him. So in this early stage, he's going to spawn a bunch of bombs or stuff like that, and also arms. So this a little bit of tentacles here you can use to you can destroy them, and the damage will come back to the boss. It will deal damage back to the boss itself. So you can deal damage by killing them like that. So it's important here, to stagger him, keep hitting him with lightning and stuff like that. And after that, there's also a part here where he does that, like he bursts. So be careful, you might get hit when he does that. And there's like a move he does where he like sleeps and slumbers and stuff like that, like this. It's important that you proc him here so you can you can stagger him. If you don't stagger him, you're gonna get sleep. So we were too late to stagger him, so I got sleep, and one of my buddies got hit by like the charge attack I warned you about. So yeah, it's important to do that. When he does that sleep animation, you put thunder on him so you can stance break him. So that's really important. And also just be patient, mind the distance. When you have just like the opportunity to attack him, or just destroys these tentacles right here. And there's like a part here on his second phase where he spawns like a small bomb thingy. So as I see here, we staggered him, but I'm gonna show you the part where there's like a bomb. So when he's like falling down and stuff like that, when he like twists, he will like slowly drop like a bomb thingy. So when he drops that, be sure to hit it. So it's range. So you gotta make your iron eye hit that, or else the whole map's gonna get nuked and you're gonna get damage a lot. So it's really important to know when to hit that thing. So you need to be cautious about it. If you're like using an executor, I guess you can parry it. But yeah, guys, so that's how you can just like keep doing that. Just be patient, and you can defeat him after second phase. So that's pretty good. So yeah, guys, that's how you defeat Maurice, or like Ogre. If you guys like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.